Hi, my name is Sindu. I go to Evergreen Valley High School and I'm a rising junior. My intensive project is the machine learning hummingbird feeder. This project takes footage from a camera attached to a hummingbird feeder and uses a residual learning network plus Python code to identify the frames that have hummingbirds in them. My second milestone is the hardware portion, which was very simple. I put together the camera, mount, and feeder contraption, and I set it up in my backyard, and then I captured some footage. So this is what it looks like. This is a sugar water hummingbird feeder, and this is a 3D printed camera mount. I painted the camera mount with sparkly red and magenta nail polish, since bright red is a color that attracts hummingbirds, and the shininess also catches the hummingbirds' eyes, so it makes it easier for them to see the feeder. This is a high quality action camera which slides right into the camera mount like so. And then I secured the camera mount with nuts and bolts. Since these are really long, I was able to adjust their length and adjust the height of the mount on the feeder. And then I was able to control the scope of the video. Then I was able to set up the contraption in my backyard and I captured several rounds of footage. Surprisingly, the hardest part of this portion was just getting hummingbirds to come to my feeder, sorry. Hummingbirds are regulars in my backyard, but they just wouldn't come to the feeder despite it being bright red. I experimented with various locations around my backyard, and I even ran into a problem that I didn't predict, which was the feeder became completely overrun by ants. So I considered various solutions, even sticking the feeder in the middle of a bird bath so it would act as a moat, but instead I just filled this top lid with water, and that was pretty effective at keeping the ants out. The camera also had several issues, such as running out of memory, turning off, and cutting up video clips, but we were able to figure out eventually, and it worked. The most enjoyable part of this project was probably figuring out how to set up the camera and also looking through my footage to see if I captured any hummingbirds. My next step is running my Python code on the videos that I captured and seeing if the resonant image recognition works.